Hello, and welcome to the Berry Stitch, part 19 of the Odysseys of Textures Blanket. For materials, you will need a basic size 4 yarn, a yarn needle, a 5mm crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. To start, we will chain 27. For row 1, single crochet in the second chain from hook and in each chain after. For row 2, chain 1 and turn. After the turn, single crochet into each stitch across the row. For row 3, chain 1 and turn. Single crochet into the first 3 stitches. Starting the repeat for the row, berry stitch into the next stitch. For the berry stitch, you will insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Then chain 3 into that front loop, then yarn over and finish your stitch. Single crochet into the next stitch. Repeat this down the row. Berry stitch, single crochet into the next stitch. Again for the berry, insert your hook and pull up a loop, then chain 3 in the front loop, then yarn over, complete the stitch, then single crochet into the next stitch. Continue this until there are 3 stitches remaining. Into the last 3 stitches, place a single crochet. For row 4, chain 1 and turn. Single crochet across the row. For row 5, chain 1 and turn. Single crochet into the first 3 stitches. For the row repeat, single crochet into the next stitch, Then place a berry stitch into the stitch after that. Single crochet into the next stitch, then the berry stitch, and continue this down the row until there are 3 stitches remaining. Single crochet into the last 3 stitches. For row 6, chain 1 and turn, then single crochet into each stitch down the row. Repeat rows 3 through 6 until the piece measures close to 7 inches. Once it is close to 7 inches, it is time for the final row. Chain 1 and turn. Then single crochet down the row. For the border, we will chain 1 and turn. 3 single crochets into the corner. "25 evenly spaced single crochets along the side. Repeat these instructions around the square. Each corner receives 3 single crochets and each side receives 25 single crochets. To join, you will slip stitch into the beginning chain 1. Mark the front of the square with a slip of paper and a pin.